Hey, you YouTube expressors out there. This is Fastfoodexpress here. Today, we're reviewing chicken fries and a spicy chicken sandwich from Burger King. I'm gonna open it up for you guys. Here it is. Comes with mayo, tomato, lettuce, and a crispy, spicy chicken patty. Going in. The first thing you taste is the chicken. Then you taste the lettuce, then the tomato. On it, which is pretty good. Now I'm gonna try it. I give that sandwich a 8 out of 10. It's really good. Go out and get it now. Now I'm gonna try the chicken fries for you guys. There's the chicken fries right there. This is what they look like. Got some ranch sauce, which is pretty good. I'm disappointed in this delivery because they forgot the soda. They didn't bring it, so I'm drinking Polar Express water instead. I love my Diet Coke. The chicken fry with ranch sauce is a buy. A 9 out of 10. The real tenderness of it, they're moist, they're scrumptious and delicious. Right there with the ranch sauce. I usually get barbecue sauce, but I wanted to try something different. I'm not disappointed with the ranch sauce. I like the chicken fries better than the chicken sandwich. Gonna open up the water. The Polar Express water, which I did a review on 2 days ago, is a buy. It has 0 calories, 0 everything. Pretty good. Gonna try out a fry for you guys. Sorry, I have a stuffy nose right now. French fries with ranch sauce is pretty good. right there. Chicken fry again. So guys, like, subscribe, comment, share. Get this channel up to 500 subscribers. For the Nintendo Switch giveaway. And get this channel up to 1 million subscribers for other great stuff we can do in the near future. So see you guys later. Peace out.